Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm walking you through how to quickly get started on the BLOFIN crypto exchange, from instant registration all the way to buying Bitcoin and withdrawing funds. Let's dive in. Fast, clear, and step by step. Click the link in the description to open BLOFIN's official website. Enter your email, create a strong password, and activate the promo code. Hit the create account button and check your email. You'll receive a confirmation code. Enter it on the site to activate your account. You're in. Now you can secure your account, fund your wallet, buy crypto, and manage your assets with ease. Promo codes unlocks exclusive BLOFIN futures bonuses. Let's break it down. Crisp, quick, and rewarding. Deposit $100 and get a $15 bonus. Deposit $500, bonus jumps to $75. Deposit $1,000, grab a hefty $150 bonus. Deposit $2,000+, max out with a $300 bonus. Important. Only the amount transferred into your futures account counts. If you withdraw it back, the bonus won't be credited. Bonuses activate within 48 hours after the promo ends and stay valid for 7 days from activation. You can trade freely with them and all your profits are yours to keep. The bonus itself, though, isn't withdrawable. This offer is exclusively for new users who register with our promo code. Keep in mind, it's limited to just 100 participants, so spots are tight. Quick tip of the day. Our Telegram channel has just launched a smart AI bot that keeps tabs on key crypto market events 24/7 and shares valuable insights with the community. Here's what to expect. Snappy and relevant crypto news. In-depth analytics and trade ideas, lively chat with fellow traders, and soon, a full-fledged personal AI assistant for channel members. Links are in the description. Join us and start trading smarter together. Security first. Let's enable 2FA. Right after registration, head to your profile and open the security tab. Activate two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator. Copy your secret key. Install the Google Authenticator app. Tap plus in the app and paste the key. Be sure to store the key in a safe place. It's crucial if you lose access to your phone. With 2FA, your account gets robust protection against unauthorized access. BLOFIN verification, KYC, optional but rewarding. BLOFIN keeps things flexible. KYC isn't required, making the platform beginner-friendly. But if you're eyeing full functionality and higher withdrawal limits, it's worth verifying. Go to your account settings and select verification. Fill in your personal details. Upload a photo of your ID, passport, or driver's license. Complete a facial scan via camera. Once your account is verified, a green badge appears, and your daily withdrawal limit jumps to 1 million USDT. Without KYC, it's capped at 20,000 USDT per day. BLOFIN, a rising power among next-gen crypto exchanges. Rapidly gaining momentum since 2023, BLOFIN has proven itself as a cutting-edge and trustworthy platform. All user assets are stored in cold wallets, ensuring top-tier security. The exchange is fully licensed and partners with leading companies in the industry, a clear sign of transparency and reliability. BLOFIN's daily trading volume consistently exceeds $100 million, and with up to 150x leverage, traders can boost their positions and potential gains while keeping risk in check. Low fees, you bet. Spot, just 0.1%. Futures, an incredible 0.02%. That's on average 20% lower than most top-tier platforms, a real advantage for active traders. Security? BLOFIN integrates with Fireblocks and Chainalysis, trusted partners providing secure asset storage and real-time transaction monitoring. All in all, BLOFIN offers a sleek blend of speed, stability, and convenience. Its standout feature? No mandatory KYC, giving you the freedom to trade anonymously, just like using a decentralized wallet. How to fund your BLOFIN account? 2 easy ways. Method 1. Already have crypto? Go to the Wallet or Assets section. Click Deposit and select USDT. Choose the appropriate transfer network. TRC20 is fast and low fee. Copy the provided receiving address. Send funds from your cold wallet or another exchange. Make sure the sending network matches the receiving one. A mismatch can lead to lost funds. Alternative, buy crypto via bank card. On BLOFIN's homepage, hit Buy Crypto. Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, and Apple Pay are supported. Fees are clearly shown before payment. Full transparency guaranteed. Method 2, buy crypto via the BestChange exchange aggregator. No crypto yet, but want to jump in? There's a simple route through BestChange, a platform that lists trusted online exchanges along with ratings and reserves. Here's how to do it, step by step. Open the BestChange website using the link in the description. On the left side, select your payment method, for example, local currency. On the right, choose the asset you want to receive, like USDT, TRC20. You'll see a list of available exchanges, rates, and reserves. Pay attention to review count and quality. Go with providers who've completed many successful transactions. On the exchange's website, enter the amount of USDT. Paste your TRC20 wallet address. Fill in your contact info, usually email or phone number. You'll get payment instructions. The swap typically takes 5 to 30 minutes. Once complete, the USDT will appear in your BLOFIN wallet. Check the wallet section. Buying crypto on the BLOFIN spot market. Ready to trade? Here's how to get started. Head to the wallet section and locate your USDT. Click Transfer and select direction, from funding to spot. Confirm the transfer. Your funds are now trading ready. Go to the Trade section and choose Spot Market. In the search bar, enter the trading pair, BTC USDT. The trading terminal will appear with the order form on the right. 2 ways to buy. Market order. Want to buy instantly at the current price? Enter the amount in USDT and click Buy. Limit order. Prefer setting your own price? Enter your desired price and amount. Order executes once the market hits your target. Once the order is filled, your purchased crypto will appear in your spot balance. How to withdraw crypto from BLOFIN? Option 1. Send to an external wallet or another exchange. Go to the Wallet or Assets section. Click Withdraw. Enter the recipient address, choose the network, and specify the amount. Confirm the action via two-factor authentication and the email code. Important. Make sure the sending network matches the receiving network. It's absolutely critical to avoid loss of funds. Option 2. Convert via BestChange. Ready to go the reverse route? Head to the BestChange platform. Select USDT TRC20 as the currency you're sending. Choose your desired payout currency, for example, local fiat, in the right-hand column. Browse exchangers, review their rates and reputation. Enter the amount. Provide your USDT wallet address. Follow the exchanger's instructions to complete the transaction. Once done, your funds will be exchanged and transferred according to the method you selected. We've walked through the full journey, from Swift registration to buying Bitcoin and withdrawing funds. Covered everything: bonuses, security, funding methods, and standout platform features. BLOFIN stands out as an intuitive exchange with a sleek interface, low trading fees, and a powerful suite of tools for both trading and investing. Don't forget, use promo codes during registration to unlock exclusive welcome bonuses on your first deposit. And there's more. Join our active Telegram channel for real-time market analysis, trading ideas, and access to our custom AI assistant. Stay ahead of the game. If you found this content helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below. Wishing everyone solid growth and strong profits.